Yeah.
Wrong bike, way out of shape. I'm way heavy. My whole bike, everything. Even though there were some mountain bikers that were passing me, but they didn't have packs on. They, you know. Not that that's it, but it doesn't help.
I bet more of it is that you're just not used to doing that kind of thing.
Yeah, not going up.
Right. For 10 miles. That was all mental.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Oh.
Definitely need a chiropractor now.
Joe's like, you coming back next week? I'm like, yep.
Maybe twice.
It was fun though.
Good.
You gotta push yourself every once in a while, right?
Absolutely. Without a doubt. Epsom salt bath for you.
Yep, I have some.
Is that your music?
It might be still playing.
Yep. 9 Inch Nails.
Oh no, not a good song to be playing in public.
Wow.
It's the bad one.
Loser?
Yeah.
Closer?
Right?
I don't know. I don't know the song.
Oh. Could be fucking me like an animal. I think that's on there. Come rolling in through the finish line, blaring that. Good thing I finished quick. I think it's about time for new tires. These things are getting
Pretty bald.
worn down. Tucson roads.
Suck. Did you stop at all?
Just to change the cameras. I didn't stop at either aid. Well, the first aid station I stopped at to change the camera, and my music had stopped, so I had to replay it. Yeah, my goal was to try to not get passed by a girl. Didn't work.
Girls are badass.
They are. But if, but again, it was all on the back 10. I passed a bunch of people going up the hill. I didn't really pass too many. There were a lot of people fixing flats.
One guy came in on a flat. He was wheeling his bike through it, pushing his bike through.
Oh, really?
Got a flat, yeah. And then the second place winner, on the 60 mile, the tall kid, and they're both kids.
Yeah.
They're very, very young. His tire was low. He rode down 20 miles, halfway back down on a very low tire. Still got second place, and well, at least 60 miles. So.
Kyle's a beast. He passed me going up the hill. He was standing up on his bike. I'm going 5-6 miles an hour, maybe. He passes me like I'm standing still. It was just probably 15 miles an hour up the hill. Not even sitting on a bike seat.
Yeah.
Just motoring all the way through.
A 15-year-old finished that Hatch Toyota group. 15 years old finished.
Talking with some of the finishers here so far. Lots of flats on the descent is what I hear.
Yeah. Did you hear that? Lots of flats on the descent. Anyway, the 15-year-old, I think he finished first for 40.
There, sounded wonderful. Make some noise for Cadillac Mountain, everybody. Yeah.
I wonder how I did with all the 40-mile hours.
You can go see. Somehow they were looking at it.
Oh, good. Did you hike with anybody or just?
Oh, no, that's fine.
Are those your good shoes? Are those your good shoes or?
These are the ones we bought.
Oh, I meant to
We're
tell.
anticipating hiking.
Yeah, I meant to tell you. You probably shouldn't bring your new snazzy ones.
Yeah, well.
You could have wore some of mine in there. Clonk, clonk, clonk.
Wasn't too bad. That was early this morning though. Right after you left, I came in, I walked.
What, just down the pavement?
Down and across through it wasn't pavement, it was dirt, but it was smooth dirt. Just up and over and around there.
Baby.
Need anything?
No, I'm almost good. I think I've stopped shaking.
Poor baby.
I wish I had erased this after I did P90X for a year. Curious if I'd have been in any better shape.
It's all about endurance.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
I think I beat my time from last time too.
Did you do the full 40 miles last time?
Mm-hmm.
You did? Awesome.
But it was shorter because we left from here. We didn't circle around that back area. We just went right out here and up the hill.
So as soon as I couldn't see you anymore when you left, it's straight uphill?
Pretty close. There was a little bit of a ride first. And, well, we went that way, so we, it was real congested and stuff, and I'm glad I was in the back.
Yeah. Safest place to be.
But that was my goal, to be like Cole Trickle and pass everybody from behind. Remember that movie?
Cold Trickle?
Uh-huh.
No, I don't.
Days of Thunder?
Oh gosh, that's an old movie. I don't remember that movie.
Mm-hmm.
That sauna would feel good today, huh?
I know. I really wanted it to be here by now.
Did you miss your face mask?
Nah, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't cold. Jeep honked at me though.
What's that?
A Jeep honked at me when I was rocking out and I was cruising along. Wind was a little in my face, so I couldn't hear anything. He wanted to pass. I'm like, dude, seriously, there's a bike race going on. Maybe pick a different mountain to freaking kill birds on.
I'm surprised that any traffic was allowed.
Oh. Well, I think it's because people live up there or something. I don't know. But that's not what they were doing.
They were recreational.
What was that? I heard like a rattle. What was
It's not a
that?
rattle. You go investigate.
You got my 60? My 6, I mean? My 60. Ah. Uh-huh. Alright, that's gone. Alright, stop doing that.